एंड मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन है जो कि बहुत लोगों को हेल्प करेगा कि हाउ टू सिलेक्ट ए बिजनेस आइडिया, कि कौन सा बिजनेस आइडिया ये वायबल है, ये बिजनेस करना चाहिए, इसका क्या सोचना चाहिए, कि हाउ टू वैलिडेट ए बिजनेस आइडिया, कि अगर आपके पास कोई बिजनेस आइडिया है, एनीवन हु इज वाचिंग अस, इफ यू हैव ए बिजनेस आइडिया, हाउ टू डिसाइड वेदर आई शुड डू दिस बिजनेस और नॉट, और मैं उसी में ही काम करके पैसे कमाऊं, कंसल्टेंट हो, जॉब हो, और या कुछ और करके बिजनेस कब करना चाहिए। जबकि जैसे मैंने आपका स्टोरी सुना है तो आई कैन आस्क कि आपने पहले एक प्री स्कूल खुद चलाया, फिर उसका फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल किया, तो ये वायबिलिटी कहाँ से पता चला आपको, और आपने कैसे किया कि व्हेन यू डिसाइडेड दैट आई शुड नॉट, यू कुड हैव बिकम समथिंग एल्स, राइट। तो आपने एक बिजनेस किया, तो क्या एक इंडिकेटर है कि बताता है कि नहीं, नाउ यू शुड डू ए बिजनेस, कि ये आइडिया अच्छा है और ये चलेगा।
All right, it is a very good. I can relate definitely to myself. Sivram, क्या होता है? You'll get lot of ideas throughout your childhood से लेके आज तक. You'll always keep on getting a lot of ideas. आपको
Yes,
दिखता है उसने ओला बना दिया, उसने what he has made it as Amazon, somebody has made a Flipkart. See, now not only these big ones, let's think about something which you are passionate about. आपको कुछ करने का मन कर रहा है, but
yes,
do not know that it is going to work, it is not going to work. काम करेगा नहीं करेगा, रूरल में करेगा, अर्बन में करेगा, पैसा चाहिए, पैसा नहीं चाहिए, आदमी चाहिए, सैलरी करना है. See, it is not about all this. First, you have to understand that what you are trying to do is doable है कि doable नहीं है, right?
okay,
First, you should have your inner confidence कि
yeah,
काम करेगा नहीं करेगा और मैं कुछ करूंगा. Second thing is, when you are doing initially, when it is your own idea, please, you can discuss, you can talk with people, you can go and meet your well wishers, you can go and meet your gurus, you can go and meet your seniors, you can go and meet your friends. Just listen to them, don't react. And what happens at the end? You have to think yourself. Be
okay,
very polite. Be very, have lot of patience. All right. Just watch what is happening. Think with your mind, but do with your heart. If you are doing with your heart, whatever the idea you have thought, I know you will be successful, right? May not be within a very short period of time. It may take another 5, 10, 15 years of time. What has happened to me? Not as a good student. As I said, qualification was not mattering to me. I said money was not at all with me. I know I was from a business family, right? A rich dad, but my father has brought us very nicely that he has never offered us money for our businesses.
okay, okay,
That is a good parenting for me, right?
yes, yes,
So
yes,
even for money, it was not available to me. Even people initially, as I said, go meet everyone possible, go and visit everything possible, and travel has given me that scope of understanding,
okay,
right? Travel across the globe, travel to other parts of India, travel to other parts of the area, meeting people have given me a lot of new ideas.
yes, yes,
So, friends, when you talk about, as I said, qualification, money, right? And when you are talking about people also, the first confidence is yours. शिवराम कुछ बोल देगा कि मैं शिवराम को कुछ बोल दूंगा, it will not work out. If शिवराम himself think नहीं यार ये काम नहीं करेगा, तो प्रीतम उसको कितना भी बोल दे, that will not work out,
very true, very true,
right? So
very
it is me who has to validate first. If I think I am able to validate things, it will work definitely. It will definitely work in the rural places in India. It will happen in urban part of India. Then I must start. It is you who has to validate.